This is how you're going to put together your notebook for Chapter 1. You're going to go to your class, and for psychology, yours will be Chapter 1 notebook. For sociology, yours will also be Chapter 1 notebook, and then U.S. history, y'all's will be Unit 2, the Gilded Age. Okay? So the steps I'm going to take in this are the same that you'll take for whatever subject you're taking from me. You'll just have different assignments put in there. Okay, so here I open it up. Here's my assignment. Make sure you read the instructions and make sure that you include everything that's listed. Okay, and it'll tell you the point values to the side. So you'll open it up and you'll have your own copy of the slides to get started with. You will need to come up here and change your name. So it should say your name, first and last name, and then Chapter 1 notebook. Okay. I'm going to erase it for now, but that's what yours should have. Okay. Then on this slide that's already pre-made for you, you're going to come in and put your name right here as well, first and last name. Okay. Next thing you're going to do, go back to Google Classroom, or if you have your files for the other assignments somewhere else, you can go there and get them. But I'm just going to do it this way because I have a feeling that most of you will do it like this. So go to Classwork and then down to Chapter 1 and find the things that you need. So we need, let me do one that will be an assignment that you won't need a picture for. So you'll go to, for psychology, you have to put your timeline in here. Okay, so on the psych timeline, I don't want this first slide, so I want you to click on the second slide, and you're going to push shift and hold it, and then click on slide 3. Then you are going to either right click and choose copy, or if you're on a Mac, you can do command, which is to right next to the space bar. You're going to do command C, the letter C as in cat. That will copy. If you are on a PC, you can do control, which should be right next to your space bar, control C. So you'll hold down control or command and then push the letter C as in cat. Once you've done that, you will go back to your notebook. So your notebook should already be open in the tab. You're going to click below that first slide. So now you should have an orange bar underneath the first slide. And then you can't, so normally you would do right click and paste. That's what you're used to. But see, you can't do that. So what we have to do is, again, if you're on a Mac, you're going to push command. If you're on a PC, you're going to push control and then the letter V. Over here, it's going to ask if you want to keep the original style or match the styles in the presentation. Choose match styles. Now, if it looks funky when you put it in here, don't worry about it. We're not going to worry about that this time. But I will have it fixed next time where it won't look weird. Okay, so now I'm done with my site timeline, so I can close that file. Then I'm going to go back, and let's say the second item I need to have is my crash course. So I'm going to open my crash course. Since this is the only slide in this one, you're going to choose the slide, so it's already chosen for you, and then you're going to Control or Command C, then go back to your notebook, click under the last slide, so click below it so that it has this orange line, and then you're going to do Control or Command V. Now, if it doesn't do it right away, don't panic. Your computer might just have to do some thinking. So again, match styles in the presentation. For this, whenever you do this one, sorry. I want you to delete the video. Well, just click on the video on the right and delete it. I don't want it on there. It takes up room. Makes the file too big. Okay. So then let's say I've taken pictures of my notes and I need to insert the pictures of my notes. You will have to pay attention where you're saving your pictures for your notes. You might need to email them to yourself from your phone to your computer. However you need to do it, just get your pictures to your computer. If you need help with that, let me know, and I can make another video or just walk you through it. So this time I'm not going to be copying a slide and pasting it into this, so I need to create a completely new slide. So I'm going to go up to this plus, click the down arrow, and then choose blank slide, and it will insert it down there for you. So now I need to go get my picture. I'm not going to use one of notes. I'm just going to pick something random that I have, but it's still the same method. Okay, so click on this little square with the mountains in it. You're going to click the down arrow and choose upload from computer. And then I think I have to get a picture from over here somewhere. We'll just choose that. Yay, look at me. I'm so cute. Then I'm going to open it, and boom, it puts it in the slide for me. Okay, so for every slide that you have to put your notes on, then you will go through that same process. Now, it is possible, if you want to, so that you don't have to keep making a lot of slides, you can make your picture smaller. Well, you'll grab it from the corner and just drag it down like this. Now your notes should be more rectangular, up and down, instead of sideways like this. But let's just say it's a picture of my notes. And you can put 2 on one page. So then we want to put another image of our notes on the same slide. We'll put my little hoodlum dog on here. So this one actually fits perfect on that side, but if we wanted, if we wanted to make it look better, we can make it smaller to where it's about the same size, sort of. You don't have to do this. You don't have to put 2 pictures on one, but if it makes your life easier, you're more than welcome to, okay? So you'll just repeat that for all your notes pictures. And when you are done, you will go back to Google Classroom. You can either find the assignment in the classwork section, or you can go back to the stream and open it from there, whichever one you want to do. And then you can't see this on my end because I don't have it, but you'll go back to this and then you'll just do that turn in, push that green turn in button, and then it'll send it to me, and then you are done. If you still have questions after this, please email me, or we can chat on Meets when I'll get one of those set up for us. All right, good luck.